Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to apply for a personal loan on Upstart in 2025. Applying for an Upstart loan is straightforward, but accurate information and document submission are crucial for quick approval. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing to do is to check your rates. So follow the steps outlined in section 2 to see the available loan options, and then just choose your loan offer. So go ahead and select a loan amount and repayment term that fits your specific budget, and then you're going to provide the required information, including the employer's detail and job title, your bank account information for direct deposits, and monthly rent or mortgage amount. Next, you're going to upload those supporting documents if they're requested, of course. You're going to need to upload recent pay stubs or tax returns, as well as government issued identification card. And also, you're going to need to upload bank statements to verify your income. Once that's done, just review and accept loan terms. So carefully read the interest rates, monthly payments, and origination fees, and click accept to submit your application for final approval. Next is to receive funds. So if approved, money is going to be deposited into your bank within 1 to 3 business days. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.